Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing our WeatherGuard center light bracket on our headache rack. Let's get started. All right, now WeatherGuard does provide a full installation guide for this bracket in the box. Make sure you reference this for the ultimate source of information. There's warning, caution, warranty information, all that. Make sure you reference this. Of course, we're doing our best to follow it as well. Now the center light bracket is going to be this big mounting surface right here that you can attach to the center. I guess you could put it off center on the headache rack. And this one's pretty simple. What you want to do is take your hardware. You want to take your square bolts like this that are going to go into the channel on the top of the rack. Drop these in. Just going to slide these over. Drop this over here. Then we'll just line up our bolts with those nuts. Then I actually do want this centered on the truck, so make sure it's centered. We'll tighten it down. Now we have a nice flush mounting surface up here for our light bar or whatever we may need to put up here on our headache rack. Now, if you're looking for this accessory, the headache rack itself, WeatherGuard crossover boxes, side boxes, whatever you may need to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.